Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin rights because changing defaults requires elevated permission. Once ready, open Start and Type Settings, press Enter to launch the Settings app. From there, go to Apps, then Default Apps. This is where Windows associates file types and protocols. You do this first because redirecting file associations is the primary way to stop Edge from opening web content. Make sure to keep another browser installed. You will switch associations to it when prompted, so don't uninstall anything yet. Now you change file type and protocol associations. Scroll to the browser you prefer and click it. Windows will list HTML, HTTP, HTTPS, and more. For each item, click the current default and select your chosen browser. Confirm the switch every time. Once done, find PDF and search-related protocols and change those too if Edge still claims them. This removes Edge as the automatic handler and explains to Windows why future links and files should open elsewhere. To finish, restart Windows so all association changes take effect system-wide. Once restarted, test links in Mail and desktop shortcuts to confirm they open in your chosen browser. If Edge still reappears, make sure a policy or an update did not reset defaults. Check Group Policy Editor or Settings Reset History. If necessary, and only if you understand the risks, back up the registry and adjust the keys that reassign HTML handlers. But be cautious, because incorrect registry edits can destabilize the system.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.